in my next project, I'm going to be building the fastest mini quads in the world. All the mini quad bikes that I've seen online, none of them look very quick. But the engine that you get with these is really, really slow. They're just not very fast. So if you want some serious fun, you know, you need to put in a different lump, and this is what I'm going to do. The actual engine that I'm going to put into this quad is going to be over 3 times as powerful. The engine is going to be around 10 horsepower, around 9 to 10 horsepower. It's an air-cooled engine, 39cc 2-stroke engine. As you can see here, yeah, it's very, very small. Now, I have rode this quad quite a few times, but it's never been very quick. So what I intend to do is put the powerful engine in this, and this is going to be super, super quick. This is hopefully going to be one of the fastest in the world, because as I said, I've never seen any fast mini moto quad bike. So this is going to be about a 9 or 10 horsepower engine in this, and we're going to see how much fun we can have. First thing I need to do is I need to basically take off the rear axle, and I need to give it a really good clean because it's a complete mess. So if I give it a good clean, I'll take the rear axle off, take the wheels off, take the axle off, give it a good clean, and then go from there. So I'm going to have to do it so I get a lot more top end speed. When I go and test this bad boy out, I need some top end speed. Yeah, baby. Tons of top end speed. That's what we want. There was a complete mess. There was oil everywhere. Not come out too bad. What we're going to do is we're going to fit the engine, we're going to put the rear axle back on it, get everything connected, we're going to put the engine in, and then we're going to fire up just to make sure everything runs, and then we'll be ready to give it a test. First things first. Okay then, right, so here we go. Moment of truth. Here we go. Now this is when you find out that the engine is knackered. all of that has been a waste of time. So choke is on, everything is connected, brand new plug, got my fuel, carburetor's in cleans, the engine is a runner, I know that for a fact. Now, let's see what else we got. See what it's like now that I've got the chain on. It's probably running too lean, so I'm going to check the jet size, and then I'm going to go down a jet size, maybe 1 or 2, maybe just 1 for now, and then I'll go from there. What I am also going to do, I'm going to fit a temperature sensor to the front of my quad, so I can see how warm this gets when I'm using it. Now this is really important for an air-cooled, because these air-cooled engines, they can seize if they get too hot. So I'll go down jet size, but I'll put my air filter back on. I have to put the filter back on. I can't use it with no filter. Well, there you go. Not the best paint job, but you know what? I don't really care, because it's just going to get full of grease, oil, dirt, and it's just going to get scratched, and God knows everything else. So for now, it will do. fastest mini moto quad in the world. Now what do you think? Did it look quick? I don't know exactly how fast that I got up to on the straights, but if I had to take a guess, I would say around 40 miles an hour. So that isn't bad. For an air-cooled engine, I'm pretty happy with that. The engines that you normally get in these chassis are only about 3.5 horsepower. Now this engine is about 8 to 9 horsepower, so a lot more powerful and a lot faster. As you just saw, it didn't miss a beat all day. It ran perfect, and I hope you like it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you would like to see me build more stuff like this, then make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you can stay up to date on all of my new videos that I'm going to be posting to my channel. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button below and look out for more videos from me very soon.